Hello, my name is Teacher Giselle or Teacher Selena Rose from 51 Talk. Are you planning to join 51 Talk and teach from home? And you're wondering where to begin? Well, the first thing you need is your own teaching space. So come with me as I discuss everything you need to know about setting up your 51 Talk teaching space. Let's go! Okay, so before we talk about the teaching space itself, let us first understand why do we need to have a good teaching space? Any idea? Sige nga, comment down mo nga yung reason mo. Anyways, as an ESL teacher, we need to have a good teaching space so that our students can see us clearly, hear us properly, and stay focused during the lesson. It also helps us look professional and creates a better learning environment. So now, let's start the discussion about the teaching space. Okay, so the first thing that we need to consider when creating our teaching space is our background. Okay, so for our background, it must be a solid, flat wall and white. So just like what I am using right now, it's a white wall. Okay, so if ever you don't have a solid flat wall that is white, you can use a white cloth or white cartolina. However, make sure that when you're using a white cloth, it must be ironed, it must be flattened, and not moving. So, for example, you're using an electric fan, dapat hindi pag nahanginan yung white cloth mo, hindi siya dapat yung gumagalaw-galaw. Okay? So, if ever na cartolina naman ang gagamitin mo, it should be or it must be smooth, no creases and no folds. Okay? So, for the last one, we have background must be clean and no other items or furniture must be seen in the frame. So, the only thing na visible sa inyong frame or sa inyong background is yung 51 Talk logo and then yung inyong teacher's name. So, hindi pwedeng nakikita yung mga corner natin. So, for example, this one, hindi pwedeng nakikita yan. Okay? So, hindi pwedeng nakikita yan. It should be your logo, your teacher's name, and si Max. Okay? So, that would be for our background. Okay, next sa ating teaching space ay ang lighting. And ang lighting ay napaka-importante para sa ating mga ESL teachers. 'Di ba? Kasi ang mga student natin, kailangan nila makita ang ating facial expressions and even our mouth movements. Kasi lalong-lalo na kung nagtuturo tayo sa mga young kids, 'di ba? So kinakopy nila yung mouth movements natin when we are teaching words. So kailangan nakikita tayo ni student. Also, mas professional looking para sa ating mga teacher kung maliwanag tayo. So mas maganda siyang tingnan. Okay, under lighting we have must be using a cool white light. So, dapat white light lang yung gamit natin. Hindi pwede yung warm yellow or any light color that you like. Kasi nga, bukod sa mas professional siyang tingnan, mas maganda. Okay, so next is light must be strong enough to brighten the room and you in the video. So, yun, kailangan maliwanag ang ating background. Next is face lighting is also recommended using a ring light. So, kagaya ko ngayon, I have a ring light. So, mas maganda siya kasi parang mas nai-illuminate yung face mo. So, if ever you can afford it na before your PSO, much better. But if not, just make sure na bright and maliwanag yung teaching space nyo. Pero if dun sa may afford na, you can just comment down so I can give you the link ng ginagamit kong ring light. So, hindi naman siya ganun kamahalan. And lastly, we have no shadows and uneven lighting on either side of the room and face. So, dapat balance yung light para walang shadow na makikita. So, yun. Okay, so next sa ating teaching space ay ang ating camera placement. Okay, so under it, we have must be at eye level. So, dapat yung camera nyo, yung external webcam ninyo ay eye level lang. So, hindi siya pwedeng mataas, hindi siya pwedeng nasa baba. Dapat eye level. Next is teacher's whole face down to the chest area must be seen in the frame. So like this. So teacher's whole face up to the chest part should be seen in the frame. Kasi yung ibang teachers, nakaganon sila habang nagtuturo. So hindi siya pwede. So dapat teacher's whole face up to the chest area ay nakikita sa frame. Next and last would be teacher must be seen in the center of the frame. So minsan, pag kunyari, feel na feel mo na magturo, tas minsan nasa gilid ka na pala habang nagtuturo ka, hindi mo alam. So, dapat just make sure na nasa gitna ka palagi ng frame. So, by the way, during PSO, dapat po may external webcam kayo. So, if ever po na hindi pa kayo nakakabili ng external webcam, I think ngayon bumili na agad kayo para if ever you will attend your PSO, ready na kayo. So, if you also want to ask for my link or my webcams link, so you just comment down. So, I think I just bought it for 289 pesos. May webcam na kayo. So, just comment down kung gusto niyo ulit na bigyan ko kayo ng link ng webcam ko. And lastly, for our teaching space, we have the attire. Okay, for our attire, teachers must be wearing a clean, well-fitting shirt or polo shirt in any color. So any colored shirts, colored polo shirts, or colored blouses will do. Any color then, okay? So next is no low necklines, especially sa ating girls. Hindi pwedeng masyadong mababa, 'di ba? Yung ating ginagamit na damit. Next is hairs should be styled neatly and not be seen being blown away with a fan. So, hindi rin pwedeng nakikita na lumilipad yung hair natin habang tayo ay nagtuturo. And next, and last but not the least, we have observed proper grooming. So, alam niyo na yan. Oh, by the way, I have, may in-order pala akong lanyard with pin. Have you seen it? Yung lanyard ng 5-1 Talk with the pin. So, mas maganda rin if we have that kasi mas professional looking. So, in-order ko siya pero hindi pa siya dumadating. So, if ever gusto niyo rin ng lanyard with pin, I think nasa 165 yung bili ko dun sa lanyard and pin. So, just comment down again if you would like to have my link so I can share it with you. All right, so I think that would be all for our teaching space. So if ever you have a question, just feel free to comment down your question and I will try to answer all your questions as much as I can. All right, so teachers, thank you for watching and hope to see you at 5-1 Talk. Goodbye.